guys, good morning. It's May 30, 9 a.m. And kakagising ko lang. Nag-sleep ako mga 3 na yata, 3 to a.m. kanina. So, it's officially our day 1 in Singapore. And if may nakarinig kayo, kasama ko po si Ian. So, I'll see you later. Hi guys, it's May 30. I guess it's 8:50 a.m. and di na ako nakapag-continue ng vlog yesterday because nagmamadali kami umuwi here sa hostel and inaantok na kami, so pagod kami yesterday. So day 2 again. Fully makapag-vlog ako kasi nag-video lang ako yesterday ng mga clips. So yeah. We'll go on later. I think it's June. Happy 2nd day of June. It's our last day na. It's our last day here in Singapore and we will go home later. I think it's 9 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I'll see you later guys in the airport. Bye.